My hair is popping today, and Alma says, okay, so let's get into the video. I am doing a Sephora haul. I am going to Germany in 2 weeks, and I decided to get some things that I can travel with. I got into the haul or bought from Sephora because I actually applied to be in the Sephora squad, and I'm very nervous about it because I am like just now getting into more content creation, and I'm right now in the LTK Creator Accelerator program. I also got asked to be an influencer for Wayfair, and then I'm also in the Amazon influencer program as well. So a lot of things has been happening in the creator portion or leading me more towards being a creator. Honestly, I was kind of like on the fence about focusing on my personal brand. And I feel like with these new opportunities that have been happening, God is pushing me more towards that. So I think that this is the time for me to show up and actually do videos. And I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but I think that with my story and where I am in my life, this is the best time to do it. Just because I'm a new mom, officially 1 year postpartum. It'll be 1 year, 1 month this month actually. And I am trying to discover my new style. I'm trying to discover what my new beauty routine is going to be. I'm trying to prioritize also self care after 1 year. Having a 1 year old, like, it's been a long year. And it's been like me trying to lose the baby weight, which I've done, which I'm so grateful for finally. But also, it's me discovering what I want my hair to look like, me trying to build my confidence, what I want my makeup to look like. I'm not doing the same things that I used to do before I had a baby. It's not like I'm going to brunch every weekend like I used to. It's not like I am, my life has completely changed. So it's not like I need glam, but I also want to redo my makeup routine just because, like right now, this is my everyday makeup routine and I love it. I just haven't wear eyeliner in here, but we'll talk about that later. But I'm just trying to redefine what beauty looks like for me. And that's why I applied for the Sephora squad because I just feel like more moms need to know that there's people out there going through the same things. And to see another mom like just being in the Sephora squad that is going through this, I think that it would resonate with a lot of people. But yeah, so I applied and they don't announce it until November. But you can, if you want to support, if you love my content, you can support me by writing a testimonial just about what you see my content is about, what you like about me as a content creator. And this me personally, if you know me personally, that would be great too if you can speak to my character. And that will help me be they'll look at that to basically decide whether I'm a good fit or not. I personally think I'm a good fit, but I don't have the billions of followers and I just am starting to be more content creator. Obviously, if you know me, you know that fashion has always been something that I've loved. And you know that I've always been pushing for fashion, me being a stylist, my brand, Eltonage, and just business entrepreneurship. But now I'm the mom. I just feel like it just kind of rounds my story up even more. But yeah, anyways, let's get into this Sephora haul. Okay, so let's just get into what I got at Sephora. My husband gave me a good copy of Sephora, like, has to be 2 years old now, and I finally finished up the gift card that he gave me with buying these bottles. So I got a couple things, not much, but this is specifically for my Germany trip because I'm going away. I don't know if I want to carry a carry-on. I don't know if I want to check a bag. It's really weird when you go international traveling. I'm going to be there for a week. So I just kind of don't know how much clothes is going to fit on a carry-on versus how much clothes is going to fit on the check bag. But we will see. But I technically got all these things because I knew that I would be trying. So I did get the Glow recipe fruit babies. So it has all of the different Glow recipe products. I love and I've always used the watermelon glow, the drops. And I usually do like this guy at Sephora actually taught me this. He said drop like 2 drops, then put your foundation and then put it on. And well, I mean, that does so much wonders. Like, it just makes my skin look so beautiful, so flawless. And ever since then, like, that's how I've been doing my foundation. I'm not wearing foundation today. I haven't worn foundation in a while. I just do concealer. I do a little blush, a little highlighter, and I just go out the door because, again, mommy life, like, I'm just, I'm just on the go. So let me actually open this up. And there, look like it is travel ready. The sizes are good for traveling. Oh, this is so cute. So they give there's a little to-go thing, which is the Watermelon Glow, Nice Made, Huge Drops, Ultimate Glow, and Brightener Tinted Serum. So I would definitely be trying this, especially like on the go, like why not? So this is all of the things here. And again, I'm probably gonna put them right back. I'm probably gonna leave them in here because I can literally travel just like that with the box, to be honest. So it's the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Could probably use that at night. The Avocado, the Ramade Recovery Serum. And this is the Glow Plum. This is the watermelon drops that I use for my foundation. This is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eyes. Oh, I'm going to need that because Germany, it is, I think, 8 hours. I think it's a 6-hour difference from where I am now. So when I get off that plane, I'm going to need that. Because I want to try to run. Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner. So this is really cute. It comes in your little pack like this. If you want to just try out these products, this is perfect. Or if you are traveling, this is also perfect. So either way, to try it out or to travel, that is perfect. Okay, and then let's see. I bought a lot of, I don't know, I have this idea in my head that when I'm on the plane, I'm gonna put on these little eye masks. I don't know. We'll see if I'm going to do it. So I got the Bright Booster mask. I got 2 of these because this is specifically for when I go on the plane. I go on Sunday at 4 p.m. The plane leaves. I land in Germany at 7 a.m. So I'm going to need this while I sleep. I'm going to need this right before because it's a Bright Booster mask. So that should brighten up my eyes. Especially these dark circles beads, they don't, And then this, I have the anti-dark circles. So I have to decide which one actually I'm going to wear on the plane. This is for the ride there and then also the ride back. So I got to decide between these two, which one I'm going to wear. I only got 4 because I'm technically only there well, it's 5 days. I go Sunday night from Miami. And then I land on Monday morning at 7 a.m. And then I leave on a Friday morning, Germany time, and then come here at 2 p.m. because they're actually ahead of us. Their day is ahead of us versus backwards. All right, so then I got mascara. So let's talk about the store because then let me show the other products too. So I got mascara and also got eyeliner. I have not worn eyeliner in over a year just because eyeliner always stresses me out. Putting on eyeliner stresses me out because of the fact that it's just you gotta be in a straight line and it just stresses me out so much. So I have to start wearing eyeliner. I feel like it'll make the whole look come together. It does make the whole look come together. Same thing with mascara. I have a little mascara in the year. So I got 2 new eyeliners and mascara. These are all the Sephora collection brands. So we'll see how these two do. But eyeliner stresses me out. Eyeliner stresses me out. But we are going to get it together because it's about being confident, getting back to myself, and being beautiful. But also, I wear glasses a lot. I'm always normally in my meta glasses. And, can they really see my eyes like from the meta glasses? I don't think so. But, it'll add a little flair. It'll add a little flair. So we gonna do it. And then I also got a mini Makeup Forever foundation. Hopefully, this is my color. I used to wear makeup foundation. Makeup foundation. Oh, wait. Makeup Forever. Sorry, I don't know why I keep calling makeup foundation. I used to wear Makeup Forever a long time ago. In the the travel size, they only have a few colors. So I got the 3 and 40. I think this is like the medium to dark. And let's just kind of see if it's gonna work. Oh, okay. It's in a little tube thing like that. Ooh, I'm kind of scared about it. I'm not even gonna lie. This might make me want to take a carry-on so I can bring my actual foundation. Because I usually wear Bobbi Brown's foundation, but I don't know where it is, to be honest with you. Like, I haven't worn it so long, and for the life of me, I cannot find it. I don't know if it's in one of my suitcases. I don't know where it is. Okay, so I put a little bit on my hand. Let's see how it blends out. Always see, the hand is kind of not the truest way, but I mean, it seems like it blended out pretty well. But I'm definitely gonna try it on my face before we decide because it might need to go back to the store. Just because, like, in the bottle, it's kind of freaking me out because it kind of looks too light. But maybe it is my color, so. But anyway, I like the fact that it comes in this little small thing. And it wasn't even too expensive. I think it was like $20 or something. So it was pretty cheap. And even when I did the shade finder on Sephora, it was hard. They could not find my shade. So I went with this one just because I'm like, okay, this might be the best fit. So I just have to try it and I'll let you guys know. But overall, I am happy with my purchase. I think this is a good this is good for traveling. Also, of course, I'll bring my blush. I will bring my highlighter is my go-to, and then my lip gloss, that's my go-to. So that, I have my regular stuff, which here's the blush and highlight combo that I have. I don't know, do people contour anymore? Because I don't even contour anymore. But if the girls are still doing it, please let me know that y'all are still doing it in the comments, because let a girl know how to increase her makeup routine, the new mom makeup routine. I need a makeup routine to drop my baby off at daycare, okay? So also, I got another product, and this brand, they were so gracious to send me this. It's actually made in Trinidad, which I love, but I needed a new setting powder, and this is their setting powder. I got it was Buttercup Rose, and I'll also link all these for you guys just in case you want to try it. So I got Buttercup Rose, which I'm not gonna try it on today, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. So the brand is called Sasha. See, Sasha, and let me see. It's very cute. This is the front of it. This is the bottom of it, and they're on Amazon, so you can shop it directly on Amazon. So I'm just gonna open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I would have to pull that little white thing. I'm not pulling it right now because I don't want to mess, but I have to pull that little white thing, and then I have a brush for this too, or I might have to get a new brush for my setting powder. But yes, I needed a new setting powder because
The concealer, like when you do concealer, it's good to just set that. Back in the day, that when I used to do makeup, it was good to set it. I'm excited about that, and I'm just grateful they sent me over this, but it's super cute. So I will definitely do a new makeup routine showing you guys how I use everything. But yeah, so that is the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like and comment your favorite makeup routines or your favorite makeup creators. Like, I just put me on, because I just want a whole new natural though. I want a natural makeup look, but I need a whole new routine. Like, not something that's gonna take me like 30 an hour to do. I need something that's gonna take me like maybe 10-15 minutes to do, and that's it, because that's really all I have time to be getting ready to be honest. But thank you guys so much for watching.